Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this Friday to Monday, January 14 to 17, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest WAVSAT beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We have here the shear line, or the tail end of a frontal system, quasi-stationary across Mindanao, and it's bringing cloudy conditions with isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, while the rest of the country, particularly across eastern Luzon, Visayas, Bicol region, Mimaropa, we have the northeasterly surface wind flow. This is a weaker version of the Amihan. It's not quite strong, but it's bringing some breezy conditions, slightly lower temperatures, but it is quite dry since we have here a strong high pressure area. So the reach of this high pressure area is extending more to the south across the Philippine Islands up to the areas of the Bicol region. So we are experiencing some drier conditions as of this time. And alongside with the dry phase of the Madden-Julian oscillation, we are continuing to feel some dry conditions across most parts of the country, except for these areas affected by the shear line. And outside of Pau, we don't have any developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclone as of this time. It's all clear. As we take a look now at the latest fast animation from the University of Wisconsin, you can clearly see here the cloudiness associated with the shear line is still affecting portions of Mindanao, and dry conditions brought about by the northeasterly surface wind flow affecting much of Luzon, Visayas, and Mimaropa. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, this is from the UMETSAT satellite server, you can clearly see here the cloudiness. Those are yellow, green, blue, and dark red colors. These are rains and thunderstorms brought about by the shear line, while here it's all dry. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, is still isolated to scattered rain showers will be expected across much of Davao Oriental, including Caraga region for the next 3 days. This will be until Monday, so expect on and off rainfall with cloudy conditions across these areas. And across the eastern sections of Luzon, Bicol region, Visayas, generally dry with small chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast, including the pressure forecast for the next 3 days until Monday. We expect the prevailing northeasterly surface wind flow to exist across the archipelago. Saturday, Sunday until Monday, we expect the northeasterly surface wind flow to prevail across the country, except for Mindanao. And if we move now into the latest La Nina update, this is the latest date for January. As of now, based on the December to February current output, it's still at 100% or 99 to 100% that we are on the La Nina event. And within the next few months, this will start to weaken. But between March to May, we are still at 67% La Nina. And if we move into April to June, we will return into neutral conditions. So from time to time, we will experience some above average rainfall across the areas like the Visayas and Mindanao and eastern sections of Luzon, including the Bicol region, until probably April, May, and June. So this will be the time that the La Nina will end. Again, why we are still continue to experience dry weather, this is because of the high pressure ridge over China, which is quite strong, where it pushes more of the rainfall to the south over Mindanao, and simply because, as we repeat, with this global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, from January 12 to 18, we are still under the below average rainfall across the Philippine Islands, and probably on week 2, January 19 to 25, there will be much rainfall that will occur across Mindanao and Eastern Visayas and portions of the Bicol region by next week to next weekend. Okay, so that's the situation right now. That's why we are experiencing some dry conditions across Luzon without any rainfall. But it's a balance of nature as of now, since although we are on La Nina, we are on the dry phase of the Madden-Julian oscillation, or simply we can call this a monsoon break. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this weekend, and we will return on Monday to give you more update on the weather here in the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, and our Facebook channel as well, MrTyphoon.com. Again, happy weekend to all. Stay safe. Be healthy always. And thank you for watching our channel.